TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. And let's check in on the market as all the major indices near session lows. Dow Jones at negative 262 points, trading at 24,638. S&P is currently negative by 29 points, trading at 2702, and the Nasdaq currently negative by 85 points, trading at 73.25. See how that looks on a percentage basis. Currently, you have the Dow down just over 1%, 1.05. You get the S&P negative about 0.8%, and the Nasdaq leading the way in negative territory, negative 1.17%. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of those futures markets with 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. Start things off with the Dow 30. So as you can see, at session lows as we speak, currently trading 24,613. NASDAQ 100, similar pattern, similar action, at session lows, currently trading 68.57. S&P 500, currently trading 27.02. Crude oil was lower this morning before rebounding quite a bit. So to back this up a little bit, we traded higher up until about 8:30 a.m. this morning. Quite a cascade to lower prices, and from there we've rebounded. When you back it up, really, we're at $70 and let's call it 80 cents. We trade up to almost $72, trade back to $70.40, and now we're trading at $71.20. That is some volatility. 2.5 hours from right now, we'll get the API number as well. See how that shakes out. Gold contract, we have volatility, but only in one direction today. Gold contract down approaching $27, trading at $12.90.06. Quite a run to the negative side for gold. And Bitcoin, currently trading 85.46. Pretty tight trading range for Bitcoin. You see a few bars in there with some action. That was at about 10:30 a.m. We saw the price fall from about 87.15 to 85.58. But since then, we've just kind of hanging at those levels. So what else you have going on out there? Of course, interest rates a big story as you see the Fed trying to hike, and mortgage rates today surging to the highest level in 7 years. You have the average contract rate on a 30-year fixed likely ending the day as high as 4.875, and that is for the highest credit-worthy borrowers and 5% for the average. Pretty remarkable. 5% 30-year mortgages. Quite a far cry from that 2 to 3% level. Stay tuned. We have our man David White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. Of course, Tom O'Brien live 3 till 5, and our man Andy Hecht with the Commodities Hour from 5 till 6. Have a great afternoon, everybody.